The more you learn, the more you earn. Top 3 books Warren Buffett recommends. Hey everyone, it's your name with the investors community. We're all about making smart money moves, and there's no better way to do that than by learning from the best. So hit that like button and subscribe to join our community of investors who are always looking to level up their financial game. Now let's talk about Warren Buffett. You know him, you hopefully love him, the Oracle of Omaha. This guy's not just a legendary investor, he's a huge advocate for lifelong learning. He lives by the motto, the more you learn, the more you earn, and honestly, that's something I truly believe in too. So today, we're diving deep into 3 books that Warren Buffett himself recommends. These aren't just any books, they're the books that can change your entire perspective on investing and set you on the path to financial success. The first book on our list is a classic, and it's one that Buffett credits with shaping his investment philosophy, The Intelligent Investor, by Benjamin Graham. This book has stood the test of time and remains a cornerstone for anyone serious about understanding the fundamentals of investing. Now, if you haven't heard of Benjamin Graham, he's considered the father of value investing, and he was actually Buffett's mentor. Graham's teachings have influenced countless investors, and his principles are still relevant today, decades after they were first introduced. This book is like the Bible of value investing, and it teaches you how to analyze companies, understand their true worth, and invest for the long haul. It breaks down complex financial concepts into understandable terms, making it accessible even for beginners. One of the most important concepts in the book is the margin of safety. This principle is crucial for protecting your investments from significant losses. This basically means buying a stock for significantly less than what it's actually worth. By doing so, you create a buffer that can protect you from market volatility and unforeseen downturns. Think of it like getting a killer deal on a Tesla. You're paying way less than what everyone else is willing to pay. This approach not only minimizes risk, but also maximizes potential returns. That's what margin of safety is all about, minimizing your risk by buying assets at a discount. It's a strategy that requires patience and discipline, but it can lead to substantial rewards over time. Graham also introduces this really interesting concept called Mr. Market. This metaphorical character helps investors understand market behavior and how to react to it. Now, Mr. Market is this fictional character who's always trying to sell you something or buy something from you, and his prices are all over the place. He represents the emotional and often irrational nature of the stock market. Some days he's super optimistic, other days he's a total downer. His mood swings can lead to significant price fluctuations, which can be tempting to react to. The point is, you don't want to let Mr. Market's mood swings dictate your investment decisions. Instead, you should focus on the intrinsic value of the investments and stick to your strategy. Instead, you need to be disciplined and stick to your strategy. This means not getting swayed by short-term market movements and staying committed to your long-term investment goals. Buffett himself has said that The Intelligent Investor is the best book on investing ever written. He often refers to it as his guiding light in the world of investing. He credits Graham's teachings with helping him develop the patience and discipline that have been key to his success. These qualities are essential for any investor looking to build long-term wealth. And let me tell you, when the Oracle of Omaha speaks, people listen. His endorsement of The Intelligent Investor speaks volumes about its value. This book will teach you how to analyze stocks, understand the principles of value investing, and develop a disciplined approach to your investments. It's a comprehensive guide that covers everything from financial statement analysis to market psychology. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about building wealth over the long term. By following the principles laid out in The Intelligent Investor, you can create a solid foundation for your financial future, ensuring steady growth and stability. The second book on our list is another masterpiece by Benjamin Graham, this time co-authored with David Dodd, and it's called Security Analysis. Now this one's a bit more technical than The Intelligent Investor, but trust me, it's worth the effort. The depth of knowledge you gain from this book is unparalleled. While The Intelligent Investor gives you a broad overview of investing, Security Analysis dives deep into the nitty-gritty of valuing stocks and bonds. It's like having a magnifying glass to scrutinize every detail of a company's financial health. You'll learn how to read financial statements like a pro, analyze a company's financial health, and determine the intrinsic value of different securities. This is not just about numbers, it's about understanding the story those numbers tell. This book is all about giving you the tools and knowledge you need to make informed investment decisions based on solid research and analysis. It's like having a financial toolkit that you can rely on for any investment scenario. One of the key takeaways from security analysis is the importance of understanding a company's financial statements. This understanding is the bedrock of any sound investment strategy. You'll learn how to analyze balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements to get a clear picture of a company's financial position. Each of these documents provides a different perspective on the company's financial health. This is crucial for understanding how a company makes money, how much debt it has, and how well it's managing its cash flow. These insights are invaluable for making investment decisions that are both informed and strategic. Graham and Dodd provide a structured framework for evaluating the financial health of companies, looking at factors like earnings stability, dividend history, and key financial ratios. This framework acts as a roadmap for navigating the complex world of financial analysis. They teach you how to identify red flags and spot potential investment opportunities that others might miss. This ability to see what others overlook can give you a significant edge in the market. Buffett has praised security analysis for its rigorous approach to investment analysis, saying that it has shaped his understanding of how to evaluate businesses. He often refers to it as one of the most important books he has ever read. He emphasizes that understanding the numbers is essential for making sound investment decisions. Without this understanding, you're essentially flying blind in the investment world. This book will equip you with advanced techniques for valuing securities, giving you a significant edge in the market. These techniques are not just theoretical, they are practical tools that you can apply in real-world investment scenarios. You'll learn how to analyze balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements like a pro, allowing you to make informed investment choices based on solid financial data. This level of expertise can transform your approach to investing, making you a more confident and successful investor. In summary, security analysis is not just a book, it's a comprehensive guide that equips you with the skills needed to navigate the complex world of stock and bond valuation. Whether you're a novice investor or a seasoned professional, the insights you gain from this book will be invaluable. So if you're serious about investing and want to deepen your understanding of financial analysis, Security Analysis by Benjamin Graham and David Dodd is a must-read. It's a timeless classic that continues to educate and inspire investors around the world. Chapter 3. The Essays of Warren Buffett. Wisdom from the Oracle himself. Now for the third book on our list, we're going straight to the source. The Essays of Warren Buffett. Lessons for Corporate America. This book is not just a collection of essays, it's a treasure trove of insights and lessons that have been meticulously compiled over decades. This book is a collection of Buffett's letters to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders, and it's like getting a direct line into the mind of the Oracle himself. Each letter is a window into his thought process, revealing how he navigates the complex world of investing and business. In these essays, Buffett shares his investment philosophy, his thoughts on business, and his insights on the economy. He delves into the principles that have guided his decisions and the strategies that have made him one of the most successful investors in history. It's a goldmine of wisdom and practical advice from one of the greatest investors of all time. Whether you're an aspiring investor or a seasoned professional, there's something in these pages for everyone. One of the things I love about this book is how clearly Buffett explains his investment principles. He breaks down complex concepts into simple, understandable terms, making it accessible to readers of all backgrounds. He emphasizes the importance of understanding what you're investing in, being patient, and taking a long-term perspective. Buffett's approach is not about quick wins, but about building sustainable wealth over time. He also talks about the importance of investing in businesses with a durable competitive advantage, companies that are built to last. These are businesses that can withstand economic downturns and continue to thrive. But this book isn't just about investing, it's also about business management, corporate governance, and the importance of ethical behavior. Buffett's essays provide a blueprint for running a successful and ethical business. Buffett believes that integrity is crucial for long-term success, both in business and in life. He argues that trust and honesty are the foundations of any successful enterprise. He shares his thoughts on how to build a strong company culture, treat employees fairly, and create value for shareholders. His insights are not just theoretical, but are based on his own experiences and successes. What makes this book so special is that it's written in Buffett's own words. You're not getting a second-hand interpretation, but his direct, unfiltered thoughts and insights. You're getting his unfiltered thoughts and insights, and you can really feel his passion for investing and his commitment to ethical business practices. His enthusiasm is contagious and can inspire anyone to strive for excellence. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants to understand Buffett's approach to investing in business. It's not just a guide but a mentor in book form, offering timeless advice that can be applied in various aspects of life. It's full of practical wisdom that you can apply to your own life, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out. The lessons in this book go beyond investing. They are about making smart decisions, being ethical, and striving for long-term success in all endeavors. So there you have it, 3 incredible books recommended by Warren Buffett himself. These books have had a profound impact on countless investors, and they have the power to transform your understanding of finance and investing. Remember, investing isn't just about picking stocks. It's about understanding how businesses work, how to value companies, and how to make smart decisions with your money. These books will give you the knowledge and confidence you need to navigate the complex world of finance and achieve your financial goals. If you're serious about building wealth, I encourage you to pick up a copy of these books and start reading today. Trust me, the knowledge you gain will be worth more than any stock tip or get-rich-quick scheme. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.